Yeah. Welcome to Top Shelf. Slice the cake forever. Thank you for stepping out, or I should say stepping in. Living room music. I go by Nacy, and I've been on my shit, man. Like real deal. I've been on my shit, like yeah. See, it's hard for the competition to say that I'm winning. You know, something like Giannis' last name, and I don't need to write this shit. Coming right off the brain. Had to clean it up. We can rebuild them like the $6 million man. Nigga, I stuck to the plan. My past sick, they gotta look from afar. Could've been a part of the team, but now you can only be a fan. Like my nigga, goddamn. I talked to my mom, she told me to stop cussing. I talked to my dad, and he told me the same thing, but keep snapping like a percussion. The shit I'm smoking can heal concussions. Look in my eyes, glazed, but always thinking about something. Half the time I'm blunted, not working, sitting around plotting, just talking to my cousin like I want what's mine. The earth don't give it to me, just talk to my guy. Told me to grind and watch the sun shine. Yeah. It was a lot of trials and tribulations nigga had to go through. Like, when I say top shelf, I mean top shelf, nigga, like my feelings, bro. Like, a lot of niggas want you to get the metaphors and shit. I'm straight up to tell you, nigga, like, bro, fake friends and bitches, it's terrible.